Have you ever noticed how hard it is not to yawn when someone is yawning nearby? Don't worry if you're not tired, because even if you're not yawning, it still might feel like you are. Why does that happen? It's not just about feeling tired. It's all about the connections we make with each other. When we see someone yawning, it triggers special mirror neurons in us. They help us understand the feelings of the other person. You know, this is called empathy. It's this incredible ability to subtly understand and share the emotions of others. So yawning isn't a sign of weakness, it's just your body's natural way of showing that it's feeling tired. It's a sign that we care deeply about the people around us. Sometimes, even a simple yawn reminds us that we're not that far apart.